All right, well, let's do some for today's worksheet, worksheet 3. But again, there's nothing new here. Like, this is all just practice. So we can just start from the beginning. Remember, the system we're thinking is QAS, quadrant, angle, sides. If we can put that in, then we don't need to draw the whole unit circle. All right, number 1, 8 pi over 3. Do we know what quadrant 8 pi over 3 is in? I'm going to say I don't know what quadrant 8 pi over 3 is in. So what can I do to make that a better value? Like, that's bigger than 2 pi. So how can I get that? Let's subtract 2 pi, which would be 6 pi over 3. So tangent of 2 pi over 3. Okay, now it's down to something we recognize. Quadrant, angle, sides. All right, 2 over 3, that's almost to 1, almost to 1 pi. So that would be in the second quadrant. Quadrant 2. It's over 3, so which angle is that? The steep, the middle, or the shallow? Should be the steep because it's over 3. And then we fill in the sides. Well, this one has a short side and a long side. All the short sides are 1/2. All the long sides are root 3 over 2. And there's one thing that's not quite right about that. It needs to be negative because we went left. And then tangent is y over x. So root 3 over 2 over negative 1/2. You can keep it, change it, flip it, or you can remember, wait a minute, the two 2's will reduce. And so that leaves me with negative square root of 3. Let's do, we're not going to do all of them. How about number 10? We'll do 10, and then we'll do 17. One of those down there at the bottom. Okay, we'll do 19 as well. All right, number 10, cosine 585. I don't like that. What can I do to fix that? Subtract 360. So cosine of 225. That's better. Let's see. Quadrant, angle, side. 225 is bigger than 180, but not quite to 270. So I know it's in the third quadrant. This one's maybe not as easy as the radians one, but which angle is 225? Is it shallow, middle, or steep? 220. No, don't look. There's nothing you can look at. 225. Let's see. This is 180. This is 270.
I'm looking. Sorry.
So 225. Middle.
What is it talking about?
225 is right in between those. So 225 is a middle. And if it's a middle, they're both root 2 over 2. And they're both negative. Good. And cosine, although even if you get it backwards on this one, you'd be okay. Cosine is which coordinate? The x coordinate. So that's how we do the unit circle without drawing the whole thing. Number 17. Negative 10 pi over 3. Another one, I don't like that. So we will add. What are we going to add? Good. 6 pi over 3. which gets me to negative 4 pi over 3. And maybe I know where that is, but maybe I don't. Alright, so negative 4 pi over 3. Some people could locate that. Some people could go backwards 4 pi over 3 and figure out where they're at. Other people would say, I don't want to mess with that. Let's add 2 pi again. So I'm adding 6 pi over 3. And that gets me to 2 pi over 3. Do you remember the official name for those 3 angles? You don't have to, but coterminal. They all land in the same spot. That's why this works. So 2 over 3. Let's see, that's almost to 1, so that's in the second quadrant. It's over 3, so it's steep. And then, you may remember that we can kind of shortcut this. Secant goes with cosine. So I really want to flip the x-coordinate. So I don't even need the y-coordinate, I just need the x-coordinate. How long is this side? 1/2. Positive or negative? Negative. Negative 1/2. And if I flip negative 1/2, I get negative 2. One more, and then we're going to do a practice quiz. But to practice, just to get because we have a quiz tomorrow, I want you to feel how it's gonna go. Number 19, cosine pi over 6. Let's see, pi over 6 is the shallow angle. So the x-coordinate is root 3 over 2. Sine of pi over 3. Pi over 3 is the steep angle. Sine is the y-coordinate. That's root 3 over 2. And then now we get to see who knows how to add fractions and add square roots. Well, adding fractions, you get a common denominator, which we have, and you keep it. And then what's root 3 plus root 3?
2 root 3.
Excellent. I was so scared somebody was going to say what?
Root 6.
Root 6. Not root 6. There's 2 root 3s there.
I said the answer before. Yeah.
No, Andrew.
You're lying. You're lying. That's what you're doing.
You're accusing me of lying.
Yeah.
That's a big accusation.
Okay.